Hi guys, we are back with Skillcraft AI, and today we are learning how to change your language in Marvel Rivals. So right now we are in the loading screen, so this is the first screen that you get into when you log in. To make sure, we're just going to click on Home, so this is the first screen. Then we're going to click on the settings icon in the top right-hand corner, click on that. Then you arrive with a bunch of tabs, click on Settings right here. Then you arrive in Display, which is the first tab, and you are going to scroll down until you see game language. So my game language is English. You can scroll down and see a numerous amount of languages, but if you happen to click on, so I'm going to click on French or Francais, we are going to click on enter or apply to confirm that language. And if the language does not completely change everything into your desired language, you're going to restart the game, and that should completely change your language for you. So that is all. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more